Nestled amongst towering peaks or cradled within dense, ancient forests, lie bodies of water untouched by the relentless march of time. These hidden lakes, scattered across the globe, are shimmering jewels of biodiversity, each holding secrets whispered by the wind and the water. Join us as we explore some of the most secluded and stunning lakes hidden around the globe. From the icy depths of Siberia to the sun-drenched shores of South America, we'll uncover the unique stories etched into the landscape surrounding these remarkable bodies of water. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty and untold wonders that await us. Our journey begins in the heart of Siberia, where lies the oldest and deepest lake on Earth, Lake Baikal. This vast crescent-shaped lake holds 1/5 of the world's unfrozen freshwater, a testament to its age and grandeur. Surrounded by snow-capped mountains and dense taiga forests, Lake Baikal is a place of extremes, where icy winds whip across the surface and the sun glints off the crystal-clear water. Beneath the surface of this seemingly endless lake lies a world teeming with life. Over 1,500 unique species call Baikal home, including the peculiar Nerpa seal. These freshwater seals, found nowhere else on Earth, are perfectly adapted to the lake's depths, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the frigid waters. Their large, soulful eyes seem to hold the secrets of this ancient lake, a glimpse into a world untouched by the passage of time. The shores of Lake Baikal are equally enchanting, home to diverse flora and fauna. In the spring, wildflowers erupt in a riot of color, painting the landscape with vibrant hues. The air hums with the sound of buzzing insects and the calls of migratory birds, drawn to the lake's abundant resources. Here, the rhythm of life follows the ebb and flow of the seasons, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains this remarkable ecosystem. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, Lake Baikal takes on an ethereal beauty. The sky blazes with color, reflecting on the still surface of the lake, creating a mirror-like effect that blurs the lines between reality and dreamscape. In this moment of tranquility, we are reminded of the power and majesty of nature, a force that has shaped this unique corner of the world for millennia. Our journey now takes us to the mountainous region of Sichuan, China, where a chain of vibrant lakes awaits. Nestled within the Zhujiagu Valley, meaning Nine Village Valley, lies a collection of crystal-clear lakes, each more breathtaking than the last. The journey to Zhujiagu is an adventure in itself, winding through lush bamboo forests and past cascading waterfalls, the air alive with the sound of rushing water. Arriving at the valley floor, we're greeted by a sight that seems plucked from a fairy tale. Zhujiagu's lakes shimmer with an array of colors, turquoise, emerald, azure, thanks to the mineral-rich waters and the interplay of sunlight reflecting off the lake bed. The surrounding landscape is equally captivating. Towering limestone peaks draped in emerald-green foliage frame the lakes, creating a scene of unparalleled natural beauty. One of the most striking features of Zhujiagu is the five-flower lake, its surface a mosaic of vibrant hues. Fallen tree trunks rest on the lakebed, perfectly preserved by the mineral-rich water, adding to the lake's ethereal charm. As we stroll along the wooden walkways that snake through the valley, we're enveloped by a sense of tranquility. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine needles and damp earth. The serenity of Zhujiagu belies a turbulent past. Earthquakes have reshaped the landscape, creating new waterfalls and altering the flow of the lakes. Yet, life persists, a testament to the resilience of nature. This delicate ecosystem, carefully preserved by the local communities, offers a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. High in the Andes Mountains, on the border of Peru and Bolivia, lies a lake steeped in history and legend, Lake Titicaca. At over 12,500 feet above sea level, it is the highest navigable lake in the world, its vast expanse stretching across the Altiplano, a high-altitude plateau known for its harsh beauty. Lake Titicaca played a pivotal role in the Inca civilization, believed to be the birthplace of the sun god Inti and his wife Mama Killa, the moon goddess. Today, the legacy of the Incas lives on in the communities that call Titicaca home. The Uros people, known for their floating islands constructed from totora reeds, have lived on the lake for centuries, their way of life intricately linked to the rhythms of the water. These islands, meticulously crafted and constantly renewed, are a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring connection between people and their environment. Life on Titicaca is a testament to resilience. The thin air and harsh climate pose constant challenges, yet the people here have adapted, their lives interwoven with the lake's ebb and flow. Fishermen cast their nets into the deep blue waters, hoping for a bountiful catch of trout or kingfish. Farmers cultivate crops on the fertile shores, their livelihoods dependent on the lake's life-giving waters. As the sun sets over Titicaca, casting long shadows across the water, the snow-capped peaks of the Andes glow with a fiery intensity. The air grows still, and a sense of peace descends upon the lake, a reminder of the enduring spirit of this ancient land. Titicaca, a place where history and nature converge, invites us to contemplate the delicate balance between humanity and the environment, a story etched into the very fabric of this remarkable lake. Our journey now leads us to Croatia, where a series of cascading lakes creates a natural spectacle unlike any other. Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a symphony of turquoise waters, cascading waterfalls, and lush greenery. 16 interconnected lakes formed by natural travertine dams descend through the forested landscape, each level spilling into the next, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of movement and color. The water, remarkably clear, reveals a world teeming with life. Schools of fish dart through the submerged branches of fallen trees, their scales shimmering in the dappled sunlight. The air hums with the sound of dragonflies, their iridescent wings catching the light as they flit across the water's surface. The unique ecosystem of Plitvice is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. The travertine dams, formed by the slow deposition of calcium carbonate, are constantly evolving, their shape and size dictated by the flow of water and the growth of moss and algae. This delicate balance is carefully preserved through ongoing conservation efforts. Dedicated teams work tirelessly to monitor the water quality, manage visitor impact, and ensure the long-term health of this precious ecosystem. Wooden walkways, carefully constructed to minimize disturbance to the environment, guide visitors through the park, offering breathtaking views of the cascading lakes and waterfalls. As we stroll along these paths, surrounded by the sound of rushing water and the scent of pine needles, we're reminded of the importance of preserving these natural wonders for generations to come. Plitvice Lakes, a testament to the power of nature's artistry, serves as a reminder that the beauty of our planet is a gift to be cherished and protected. Our next destination takes us to the heart of the Canadian Rockies, where a glacier-fed lake shimmers like a sapphire amidst towering peaks. Moraine Lake, nestled in the Valley of the Ten Peaks, is a sight to behold. Its vibrant turquoise hue, a result of the finely ground rock flour deposited by glacial meltwater, is mesmerizing, reflecting the surrounding snow-capped peaks like a mirror. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine needles and damp earth. The silence is broken only by the gentle lapping of waves against the rocky shore, and the occasional cry of a hawk circling overhead. Moraine Lake is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails wind through the surrounding forests, offering breathtaking views of the lake and the towering peaks that guard it. Canoes glide silently across the water, their occupants dwarfed by the sheer scale of the surrounding landscape. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valley, Moraine Lake takes on a magical quality. The sky blazes with color, reflecting on the still surface of the lake, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. This is a place where one can truly connect with nature, surrounded by the raw power and majesty of the mountains. The stillness of the evening invites contemplation. We are reminded of the forces that have shaped this landscape over millennia, the slow grind of glaciers carving valleys, the relentless flow of water shaping the land. Moraine Lake, a jewel of the Rockies, is a testament to the enduring power of nature and the importance of preserving these pristine environments for generations to come. Our journey south takes us to the rugged and windswept landscapes of Patagonia, where a lake of breathtaking beauty awaits. Lake Pijoy, nestled within Torres del Paine National Park in Chile, is a place of dramatic contrasts and ever-changing scenery. Framed by the iconic granite towers of Paine Grande and Los Cuernos, the lake's surface reflects the dramatic peaks like a mirror, creating a sense of awe-inspiring grandeur. The best time to experience the full splendor of Lake Pijoy is during the shoulder seasons. In spring, wildflowers erupt in a riot of color, carpeting the landscape in vibrant hues. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a chorus of life celebrating the return of warmth. Autumn brings its own unique charm. The lenga forests that blanket the surrounding hillsides explode in fiery shades of red, orange, and gold, creating a breathtaking tapestry of color that contrasts with the turquoise waters of the lake. The Patagonian winds, notorious for their ferocity, whip across the lake, creating whitecaps that dance on the surface. Yet, even in its wildest moments, Lake Piho retains a sense of serene beauty. The rugged landscape, sculpted by glaciers and shaped by the relentless winds, is a testament to the enduring power of nature. As we stand on the shores of Lake Piho, gazing up at the towering granite peaks, we are reminded of the insignificance of humanity in the face of such raw power. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, a landscape that inspires awe and wonder, inviting us to contemplate the forces that have shaped our planet. Our journey now takes us to the Scottish Highlands, a land of mist-shrouded mountains, deep lochs, and ancient legends. Loch Ness, the largest loch by volume in Great Britain, stretches for 23 miles through the rugged landscape, its dark depths concealing secrets that have captivated the world for centuries. The most enduring legend associated with Loch Ness is of course that of the elusive monster, affectionately known as Nessie. Stories of a creature lurking beneath the surface have been passed down for generations, fueled by blurry photographs and anecdotal accounts. Whether Nessie is real or simply a figment of our collective imagination, the legend adds an undeniable air of mystery to this already enchanting location. The landscape surrounding Loch Ness is as captivating as its legendary inhabitant. Rolling hills, blanketed in heather and dotted with ancient ruins, rise from the loch's edge, creating a scene of timeless beauty. The air is thick with the scent of peat and pine, and the silence is broken only by the cry of a lonely bird or the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. Visitors from around the world flock to Loch Ness, drawn by its legend and its undeniable mystique. Some come hoping for a glimpse of the elusive monster, while others seek solace in the tranquility of the surrounding landscape. As the mist rolls in, shrouding the loch in an ethereal veil, it's easy to understand why this place has captured the imagination for so long. Loch Ness, a place where legend and reality blur, invites us to contemplate the mysteries that lie hidden beneath the surface, both literally and figuratively. Our journey westward takes us to the Cascade Mountains of Oregon, where a lake of extraordinary beauty lies within the caldera of a dormant volcano. Crater Lake, the deepest lake in the United States, is a sight to behold. Its intensely blue waters, a result of its depth and purity, reflect the surrounding cliffs, creating a scene of breathtaking grandeur. The story of Crater Lake begins thousands of years ago with the cataclysmic eruption of Mount Mazama. The mountain, once towering over 12,000 feet, collapsed in on itself, forming a massive caldera that slowly filled with rainwater and snowmelt over centuries. Today, Crater Lake stands as a testament to the raw power of nature, a reminder of the forces that have shaped our planet. The lake is named after William Crater, a prospector who stumbled upon its breathtaking beauty in 1853. However, long before Crater's arrival, the Klamath Native American tribes held the lake sacred, weaving its creation into their mythology and oral histories. Their stories speak of a great battle between the sky god, Skel, and the underworld god, Lau, a battle that culminated in the mountain's explosive collapse. Visitors to Crater Lake can explore the Rim Drive, a scenic road that circles the caldera, offering breathtaking views of the lake and the surrounding volcanic landscape. Hiking trails descend to the water's edge, allowing visitors to experience the lake's serenity up close. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the water, Crater Lake takes on an ethereal beauty. The sky blazes with color, reflecting on the still surface of the lake, creating a scene of unparalleled tranquility. Crater Lake, a place where geology and mythology intertwine, invites us to contemplate the forces that have shaped our world and the stories we tell to make sense of them. Our journey now takes us to the South Island of New Zealand, where a lake of ethereal beauty awaits beneath a canopy of stars. Lake Tekapo, nestled in the Mackenzie Basin, is renowned for its milky turquoise waters, a result of glacial flour suspended in the water, and its stunning night skies. The lake is a popular destination for stargazers, drawn by the clarity of the night sky and the absence of light pollution. The nearby Mount John Observatory, home to New Zealand's largest telescope, offers visitors a glimpse into the vastness of the universe, a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. But Lake Tekapo is more than just a stargazer's paradise. During the spring, the shores of the lake erupt in a sea of color as lupins bloom in abundance. These vibrant wildflowers, with their tall spires of purple, pink, and white blossoms, create a breathtaking contrast against the turquoise waters of the lake. The air is filled with the sweet scent of lupins, attracting bees and butterflies that flit amongst the blossoms, adding to the vibrant tapestry of life. Visitors can explore the shores of Lake Tekapo on foot, following walking trails that wind through the lupin fields and offer stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Kayaking and paddleboarding are popular activities on the lake, allowing visitors to experience its serenity and beauty from a unique perspective. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, Lake Tekapo transforms into a canvas for the stars. The Milky Way stretches across the sky, a river of light illuminating the darkness, inviting us to contemplate the mysteries of the universe and the wonders of our planet. Our final destination takes us to the highlands of Guatemala, where a lake of profound beauty and cultural significance awaits. Lake Atitlan, often described as one of the most beautiful lakes in the world, is a place of tranquility and spiritual resonance. Ringed by three majestic volcanoes, Atitlan, Toliman, and San Pedro, the lake's deep blue waters reflect the surrounding landscape, creating a scene of breathtaking grandeur. For centuries, Lake Atitlan has held a special place in the hearts of the Maya people. They believe the lake to be a portal to the underworld, a place where the spirits of their ancestors reside. Today, the lake is home to several Mayan villages, each with its own unique traditions and customs. The villagers live in harmony with the lake, their lives intricately linked to its rhythms. Fishermen cast their nets into the deep waters, hoping for a bountiful catch. Women wash clothes on the shores, their laughter echoing across the water. Visitors to Lake Atitlan can experience the local culture by visiting the vibrant markets, where colorful textiles, handcrafted jewelry, and traditional foods are on display. Boat trips across the lake offer breathtaking views of the volcanoes and the surrounding villages. The tranquility of Lake Atitlan is palpable. The air is clean and fresh, carrying the scent of pine needles and wood smoke. The silence is broken only by the gentle lapping of waves against the shore and the occasional call of a bird. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the water, Lake Atitlan takes on an ethereal beauty. The sky blazes with color, reflecting on the still surface of the lake, creating a scene of unparalleled serenity. Lake Atitlan, a place where nature and culture intertwine, invites us to contemplate the beauty of our planet and the importance of preserving the traditions that connect us to it. We hope you enjoyed this journey to some of the world's most hidden and beautiful lakes. From the icy depths of Siberia to the sun-drenched shores of Guatemala, we've witnessed the diversity and splendor of these unique ecosystems. Remember, there's always more to explore just beyond the horizon. Each corner of our planet holds hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. So, let curiosity be your guide and venture forth to explore the wonders that await.